Just around the corner, a few days away, and if you're like the 42 million Americans who will travel this weekend, you've got to get away on the brain right now. And the Now's Tara Hall is here with something you may want to take with you when you hit the road. A few things we might want to take along.
Yeah, so when it comes to vacationing, there are a couple things you want to make sure you have before you take off. Good insurance, of course.
That always helps, yes.
Along with your great camera and your sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Got it.
Doris Forrest has traveled the world, and while she's done without many of the luxuries of home, she says when she hits the road, there's one thing she won't go without: travel insurance.
My maiden name was Hansen, and so I think I've got Viking blood. I love to travel. Ever since I was a kid, I love to travel.
Travel insurance protected Doris last year when she had to cancel a trip last minute.
My husband had to have emergency surgery, so I had to cancel. I called Cruise Holidays and told them, and my dear daughter, who is also my agent, took care of it, and we got all our money back.
No matter where in the world you decide to travel, Cruise Holidays and Comfort Tours recommends you take travel insurance with you, especially for a trip worth thousands of non-refundable dollars.
You never know what's going to happen or when. It may be something that is so minor, but it can be also a major catastrophe.
Joanne Weeks works at Cruise Holidays and Comfort Tours. She believes so strongly in buying travel insurance, which protects travelers against unexpected interruptions like delays or emergencies, that she actually sells the product to Mom, Doris.
You just never know, and it's just to have that peace of mind. It's worth its weight in gold.
Because for Doris and Joanne, travel is as much about the destination as it is about making memories together. The mother-daughter duo says travel insurance protects both.
All right, and if for whatever reason buying travel insurance is not your thing, there are a couple things you can do, Justin. First of all, check with your credit card company. Some of them do offer some type of travel protection. Now, it's going to vary by credit card, so make sure you call before booking your trip. Alternatively, make sure you have good health insurance, especially if you're traveling internationally. That'll protect you in case something arises while you're abroad.
You never know. And 75 years old, swimming with sharks.
She was 75 swimming with sharks, 84 this year, and planning to go on a possible river cruise through Europe.
All right. Might want to take your insurance advice then, for sure. Krista, back to you.
All right, the beer industry